day 4 and we currently already have this side, but now we're going to build this side. Stay tuned. Alright, so we are using some CAD design, and by CAD I mean cardboard. What I did was I used this to trace the shape on the side. I'll show you. I tried to trace the side with this cardboard, and we're going to transfer this shape into the wood. So it's a lot of patience, cutting, measure, cut, measure until you get the shape that you want. So I actually transferred that into this wood already and cut it with a jigsaw. So far this is what we got right here, and it's not perfect yet. A lot of fine-tuning, a lot more cutting that needs to be done. Eventually we'll get there. So something I've been doing is marking the area that I want to cut. Right now we have to push this wood that way, and this should it's hitting somewhere here, so I have to trim, and I would mark it with my pencil. This piece right here, and it looks like we got to trim up there. That's what we're gonna do right now. I marked this part right here. We got to trim that, and also on the back we got to trim this piece. We're gonna use the jigsaw. We're gonna put the carpet on. So here's the carpet. I'm using this glue. Alright, so there it is so far. I stapled the back, painted it black. We're gonna put it on the car. Alright, so we're gonna test it out, and then we're gonna put the piano hinge if it's all good. There you go. Looks like it's perfect fit. I'm gonna put the piano hinge approximately there. We're gonna pre-drill it and put the screws on. So now we're gonna make this piece right here. So this is what I have so far. I'm trying to basically cut it and match it. I measure and then I cut until I get the piece that I like, that I'm happy with. So that's pretty good right there. So we're gonna go with that piece. We're gonna use this to trace the wood. This is the piece that we're going to use. We just have to trace it up, and then we're going to cut it Alright, let's see how it is. Okay, I hope this works. That's not bad. Might have to trim this a little bit just so I can lower this down, but that's not bad. So I wrapped it with cloth. I'm gonna test it out. Looks pretty good. Alright, so we're going to secure this piece right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole somewhere here. It's gonna go to this piece right here. So I'm just gonna eyeball it and hope it goes through. Alright, last piece. Alright guys, finally finished it. Actually, I'm still missing the dividers here, so I'm gonna add that up later. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and I have a little bit of surprise over here. Stay tuned.